Looking for quick and delicious vegan meals that you can prepare in under 12 minutes? Welcome to your guide. Today, we're diving into the flavorful world of vegan cuisine, showcasing 5 simple, mouth-watering meals that are perfect for anyone on the go. From the heartiness of avocado toast with a twist, to the zesty kick of a quinoa salad, and all the way to the satisfying crunch of vegan mushroom tacos. Stay tuned to discover how simple and delicious vegan cooking can be. First up is a classic breakfast favorite with a twist: avocado toast. This isn't your average avocado toast. Oh no, we're taking it to the next level. We start with a ripe, creamy avocado, a symbol of good fats and a staple of any plant-based diet. Next, we have our whole grain bread, a wonderful source of fiber and complex carbs that will keep you feeling full and energized for the day ahead. Now, let's add some extra flavor and nutrients with cherry tomatoes and arugula, bringing a burst of freshness and a peppery kick. A squeeze of lemon adds a tangy twist and helps keep that avocado vibrant and green, while a sprinkle of your favorite seasoning brings it all together. The beauty of this recipe lies not just in its simplicity, but also in its versatility. You can customize it to your liking. Add some chili flakes for a spicy kick, or perhaps some roasted seeds for a crunchy texture. And there you have it, a quick, healthy, and delicious vegan meal in under 5 minutes. This avocado toast is not just a pretty face, it's packed with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, dietary fiber, and a range of vitamins and minerals. It's a meal that loves you back, nourishing your body one bite at a time. Now, who said quick and healthy can't be absolutely delicious? Next, we have a refreshing and protein-packed zesty quinoa salad. This bowl of goodness brings together quinoa, black beans, corn, cilantro, lime, and avocado, creating a symphony of flavors that's sure to tantalize your taste buds. Let's start with the star of our dish, quinoa. This ancient grain is not only gluten-free but also a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids. It's a wonderful ingredient that adds a satisfying crunch to our salad and a wealth of nutritional benefits. Cooking quinoa is a breeze. Simply rinse it under cold water. Add it to boiling water and let it simmer until it turns translucent. Once it's cooked, fluff it with a fork and let it cool. While the quinoa is cooling, let's prepare our other ingredients. Rinse the black beans and corn, then chop the cilantro. Now, let's bring it all together. In a large bowl, combine the cooled quinoa, black beans, corn, and cilantro. Squeeze in the lime juice, add in diced avocado, and give everything a good stir. The lime adds a zesty punch, while the avocado lends a creamy texture, perfectly contrasting with the hearty quinoa and crunchy corn. And there you have it. This zesty quinoa salad is not only packed with flavors, but also takes less than 12 minutes to prepare. A quick, nutritious, and delicious meal that's perfect for a busy day or when you need that extra energy boost. Moving on to a heartier dish, our spicy peanut noodles. This dish brings together the robust flavors of peanut butter, soy sauce, maple syrup, and chili flakes, coupled with the wholesome goodness of whole wheat noodles and a medley of your favorite vegetables. To start, we'll cook our whole wheat noodles according to the package instructions. Whole grains are an excellent source of fiber and can help keep you feeling satisfied longer. While our noodles are cooking, let's prepare the sauce. In a bowl, we'll whisk together creamy peanut butter, soy sauce, and a touch of maple syrup for sweetness. Let's not forget a dash of chili flakes to give it that spicy kick. This peanut sauce is not only incredibly delicious, but also packs in protein and healthy fats. Now let's stir-fry a colorful mix of vegetables. You can choose any vegetables you like: bell peppers, carrots, broccoli, or even snap peas. Vegetables are a powerhouse of nutrients and add a delightful crunch to our noodles. Once our noodles are cooked and drained, we'll toss them in our spicy peanut sauce, then mix in our stir-fried vegetables. Give it all a good stir until everything is well coated in the sauce. And there we have it. A bowl of spicy peanut noodles that's not only bursting with flavors but also brimming with health benefits. In no time at all, you have a filling and flavorful vegan meal ready to enjoy. Now, let's prepare a simple and nutritious chickpea spinach wrap. This meal is packed with protein from the chickpeas and bursting with vitamins from the spinach. The ingredients we'll need are chickpeas, spinach, whole grain wraps, tahini, lemon juice, and garlic. The combination of these ingredients not only gives us a delicious wrap, but also provides a well-rounded nutritional profile. First, we'll quickly sauté the chickpeas and spinach. This process enhances the flavor of these ingredients and makes them more digestible. Remember, sautéing doesn't require a lot of oil or time. Just a quick toss in a hot pan will do the trick. Next, we'll assemble the wrap. A whole grain wrap is a great source of fiber and adds a hearty element to our meal. Spread a generous layer of tahini on the wrap, which adds a creamy texture and a nutty flavor. Then add the sautéed chickpeas and spinach. Roll up the wrap and there you have it. Chickpeas are a fantastic source of protein and dietary fiber, which can help keep you feeling full and satisfied. Spinach is rich in iron and calcium, vital for maintaining good health. Combining these in a wrap makes for a convenient portable meal that doesn't skimp on nutrients. This chickpea spinach wrap is a quick, healthy, and satisfying meal that you can enjoy on the go. Finally, we're making delightful vegan mushroom tacos. This dish is a fantastic example of how vegan meals can be rich, satisfying, and brimming with flavor. Our star ingredient here is mushrooms. They bring an earthy, umami flavor that's often compared to the depth of flavor in meat, making them a perfect substitute in these tacos. We'll also be using corn tortillas, a staple in Mexican cuisine. They're delicious, gluten-free, and add a nice rustic touch to our tacos. To top it all off, we have avocado for creaminess, lime for a zing, cilantro for freshness, and onion for a little crunch. Now let's get cooking. We start by sautéing our mushrooms until they're golden and juicy. This process really brings out their natural umami flavor. Simultaneously, we warm our tortillas on a dry skillet until they're soft and pliable. Remember, warm tortillas are less likely to break when filled. Once everything is ready, it's time to assemble our tacos. A generous spoonful of sautéed mushrooms goes onto each tortilla, followed by slices of ripe avocado, a squeeze of fresh lime juice, a sprinkle of chopped cilantro, and a handful of diced onions. And voila! In less than 12 minutes, you have a delicious and wholesome vegan meal ready to serve. Before we wrap up, here are some tips to make your vegan cooking even quicker and easier. Meal prepping is a game changer. Try chopping veggies in advance or using canned beans to save time. And don't forget, seasoning is key to making your meals burst with flavor. Fresh ingredients, while not always necessary, can elevate your dish to new heights. Experiment with herbs, spices, and condiments to find your unique taste. With these tips, you'll be whipping up delicious vegan meals in no time at all. And there you have it, 5 quick, delicious, and healthy vegan meals. We've prepared avocado toast with a twist, a zesty quinoa salad, spicy peanut noodles, a chickpea spinach wrap, and finally, vegan mushroom tacos. Each of these meals is a testament to the fact that vegan cooking is not only good for you and the planet, but it's also easy, quick, and absolutely scrumptious. Remember, these recipes are just a starting point. Feel free to get creative, add your own twist, and make these meals truly your own. With a little planning and the right ingredients, you can whip up a nutritious vegan meal in under 12 minutes. If you enjoyed these quick vegan meals, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious, healthy recipes. Eating vegan has never been easier or quicker. Thank you for watching, and we'd love to hear which meal you're excited to try or your go-to quick vegan meal in the comments below.